Video. Today I am going to let you that how you can fix your Chromebook, HP Chromebook 11th generation's G5 audio driver problem after flashing the Chromebook box UEFI plus ChromeOS Flex. So this is the tutorial with my friend who requested me to make a tutorial video and try to guide him step by step and one by one. So let's break down a simple introduction first of all about the why audio breaks. The SETZER uses a Realtek ALSA 5650 and 5654 codec on Intel by trial. HP Chromebook 11 G5 is listed as one of the devices with Realtek AL. Okay, they require edit driver and firmware, different Linux kernel support, and setting audio doesn't just work out of the box, and you can try if you are facing problems while disconnecting your Chromebook to the USB cable or any other cable you are using, and you are trying to fix the problems and issues, you will face the again another problems while fixing the one problem, because there is a lot of misunderstanding and driver issues in the Chromebook 11th generation. Okay, ChromeOS Flex in particular is dead, and for audio on this device, you get no audio in or out. So let me break you down. Let me show you my laptop screens, and you will understand the step-by-step guidelines and how I can do, how you will run if you are Chromebook 11 generation supporting a terminal. Let me break you down a tutorial. Okay, this is the guidelines I discussed on the videos. You can see, open your terminal. I will mention this link in the video description, so you can easily run. If you were Chromebook support Python or another programming language, you can mention a comment. I will try to fix up after running the above command in your Chromebook. You need to reboot after that, and this is the first options I mentioned, and another option that is on ChromeOS Flex, especially audio is dead, and on this device the author one of the detail write up could not find any reasonable. Okay, if you are set on ChromeOS Flex and audio is essential, you have two paths. So you can see this is the one path which I will mention you, and switch to Linux. You need to switch your Chromebook to the Linux or Ubuntu, Debian and Fedora, where the audio script above works. Okay, another option is option 3, install by trial specific audio patch using the Linux. Okay, recommended for you that distros for SETZER if switching from Flex. Some Chromebooks need a kernel especially compiled to activate the sound device. Linux kernel 5.4 plus Ubuntu directive kernel is recommended for by trial. Okay, this is the discuss guidelines. You can easily contact or comment on the video. I will try to fix up your problems and make a unique and physical tutorial. I will get a chance to receive any Chromebook 11 generations. Okay, it support HP Chromebook 11th J5 generations. If you misunderstand and you start using the steps I mentioned in the video, so first of all you should have HP Chromebook 11 generations G5. This guidelines and tutorial only support to the HP Chromebook. If you have another Chromebook and you are facing the problems and issues on that and you are still trying to fixing, you can easily comment on the video and you can discuss. You can describe your current Chromebook and Chromebook model name and device name. I will try to make another tutorial for you behalf your request. So this is a simple guidelines we discuss. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching.